There are two tax seasons, but most people are only aware of one.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You have your tax preparation, and then you have your tax planning. But what is tax planning? Hey, it's your host, Reginald Marshall, and in this video, we're going to be diving into depth, going more into what tax planning is and why you should plan with a tax strategist so you can pay less in taxes. Tax preparation is the filing of your taxes, starting in January, ending in April. But if you get an extension, you can extend that filing all the way to October 15th. But tax planning is where the wealthy people play.
Hey! Ain't nobody trying to hear that bullshit, man.
Shut up.
You always trying to say something at the wrong time.
Finish and do whatever you got to do.
Go on sleep. Let us have our fun.
Sleep. Go ahead there, Ray. Finish telling us about
Go
that
on, Ray.
section.
Go on, Ray. Tell me some more.
Go ahead, Ray.
Tell you, Ray.
Damn.
As I was saying.
It's a way for you to be proactive versus reactive with your taxes. A way for you to strategically plan throughout the year so when it comes time to file your taxes, you know exactly how much you owe if you owe anything.
Okay.
Tax planning is a set of strategy sessions throughout the year to help you minimize your overall tax liability. Number one, we want to look at what's your current situation. But before we actually get into that, we want to know, well, have you been taking all of the deductions and credits that you qualify for? So we want to look maybe 1, 2, or even 3 years previously just to review those tax returns to make sure everything was filed correctly. Because the government allows taxpayers to amend up to 3 years. Once we complete that, we want to actually jump into your current situation. What's your filing status? Married, single? If you're married, do you plan on filing jointly? Do you plan on filing separately? What makes sense for you? Next, do you have children? Are you planning for their future? What does that look like?
Okay.
What are some vehicles we can invest in so when your children become 18 years old, they're set up for the future? Next, we want to dive into, do you own your home? Are you looking to own your home? What makes the most sense in your current situation? Number 2, do you have a business? And is your business properly structured? Are you a single member LLC, S Corp, C Corp, partnership? Are you still operating as a sole proprietorship? See, the tax code was made for business owners and investors. So if you don't have a business, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to take advantage of the tax code. The reason why you want to know if you're properly structured is because if you're not properly structured, if you're a single member LLC, but you're supposed to be an S Corp or you're supposed to be a C Corp, that can cause you to overpay on your taxes. So when you're sitting down with the tax strategist and we're looking at your overall situation, we're going to make sure that you are properly structured so you're not overpaying on your taxes. Number 3, retirement. What's your retirement goal? How much money do you want to have by the age of retirement? See, most people don't know that you can actually get a tax deduction for planning for retirement. Are you investing in a 401k? Does it make sense to invest into a 401k? Do we have to look at some other options like a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA? These are things that a tax strategist is going to sit down with you and help you figure out. So about the time you reach the age of retirement, you don't have to worry about did you plan properly. Number 4, asset protection. Do you have assets? Are those assets protected? When sitting down with a tax strategist, they're going to look at some insurance reviews to protect those assets and ultimately help you continue growing your wealth. Number 5, the best practices for bookkeeping. See, as you're planning throughout the year with a tax strategist, you want to sit down and find out what are the best ways for you to track some of your expenses. What are the best ways for you to stay organized? So when it comes time to file your taxes, you don't have to worry about looking for different documents. You're already organized because you've been planning throughout the year.
Yes, yes.
The one way to know that you're not overpaying on taxes every year is to sit down with a tax strategist. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more tax education. The more you learn, the more you earn, the more you know, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more the cash can flow. So until next time, take care.